Because this is the week following the Feast of Corpus Christi, I am presenting a series of reflections from the United States Conference of Catholic Bishops on the Eucharist and the different meanings of the Eucharist. Today's reflection is titled, "The Eucharist Sensitizes Us to Those Who Suffer." As we meditate on the Eucharist, we experience Christ's love for us and for others. In the depth of prayer, we become so moved and sensitized to his love for those who suffer that the words of St. Augustine become a reality for us. The pain of one, even the smallest member, is the pain of all. And so the Eucharist, while it is a celebration of our oneness as a community, a celebration of our joy in being Christians, the Eucharist also reminds us that there are many, many people in the world who suffer, and who suffer in all kinds of ways. There are people who experience the physical suffering of hunger or illness or disability. There are those who experience the emotional suffering of loss or grieving or separation. And so the Eucharist should always remind us that the body of Christ, because it is one, is also broken. That there are those among us who suffer. And because they are our sisters and our brothers, we need to be attentive to their suffering, to pray for them, and then to do whatever we can in our own way to take care of that suffering, to try to heal that suffering so that the body of Christ can be whole.